Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel Aditya's Creation. Today I'm going to tell you how to make this easy Hogwarts house themed phone case, and it is so easy that you can also make it in 1 minute without any special requirements. So let's start with the video. So for this you will need a phone case of the color of one of the colors of your Hogwarts house. For example, my Hogwarts house is Ravenclaw, so I took a dark blue phone case, and like this only. If your house is Hufflepuff, then you need a color like yellow or black. So whatever is your house, you need the color of the phone case in the one of them. Secondly, we will be needing a pair of scissors and black duct tape. So we'll start designing patterns. We will make patterns with black duct tape. We have to make horizontal lines and we have to leave distances in between. It depends on the length of your phone case. I left some like middle kind of distances, not too big and not too short. And like this, you have to stick so that the color does not ruin up. So after that I have took gray acrylic paint. I didn't have gray acrylic paint, so I took the mixture of black and white and I painted it across. And after that also, as I told earlier, you have to take the color opposite of the your color of the phone case of the Hogwarts house. So suppose you are in Gryffindor and your phone case is orange, so you will need yellow, and likewise you have to take vice versa. So my phone case is ready. Actually my black duct tape was not so strong, so it ruined up a little bit, so I painted it again, and as you can see my hands are a little bit messy. So yeah, I hope you have liked it. If yes, then please hit the like button and share it with your friends and family members. As you can see, it was so easy. It is made in 1 minute only. And also subscribe to my channel for more creative related video every Tuesday. And I meet you in my next video. Till that time, take care and bye bye.